Oh, David, slow down for a minute. Look over there,
Where? What is it, Emma?
across the street, next to the fountain. Do you see that colorful cart? It looks like a street vendor is selling something.
Oh, yes. I see it now. It is very colorful. It has a big, bright yellow umbrella. It looks really interesting.
I agree. It looks much more unique than the regular shops. I wonder what they are selling.
Me too. From here, I can't really tell. It looks like a lot of small, interesting objects.
My feet are a little tired from walking, but I really want to go see what's on that cart. Do you mind if we go take a look?
I don't mind at all. I'm curious too. These kinds of small, independent sellers often have the most amazing things.
I feel the same way. You can find things that nobody else has. Let's go check it out.
Okay, let's cross the street here. Be careful, there's a bicycle coming.
All clear now. I'm excited. I hope they have something really special. It's always fun just to look, even if we don't buy anything.
Wow! Now that we're closer, you can see everything. This is a beautiful setup.
It really is. Everything is so neat and organized. Look at all this handmade jewelry.
Yes, I see it. There are necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. They don't look like they were made in a factory.
Not at all. You can tell they were made by hand. Each one is a little bit different. The craftsmanship is incredible.
Look at these bracelets here. The beads are so colorful, and the patterns are very detailed.
They are beautiful. And it's not just jewelry. Look on this side of the cart. There are small wooden carvings.
Oh, yes, you're right. There are little animals. I see a cat, an owl, and a small bear. They are very cute.
They are adorable. And what are these over here? They look like hand-painted ceramic tiles.
I think you're right. The designs on them are lovely. They would be nice to use as a decoration in the kitchen.
This is exactly what I was hoping to find. A place with unique artistic items. I don't even know where to start.
Let's just take our time and look at everything slowly. There's no need to rush.
Are you seeing anything that you particularly like, Emma?
I am. My eyes keep going back to this one necklace. Right here in the front.
Which one? There are so many. Can you describe it to me?
It's the one hanging on the silver stand. It has a silver chain, and the pendant is a single, polished blue stone.
Oh, I see it now. The one that looks like a teardrop? The stone is a very deep blue color.
Yes, that's the one. The color reminds me of the ocean. It's so simple, but so elegant at the same time.
It is very beautiful. It would look very nice on you. That color would match your eyes.
Do you really think so? I just love the way the light catches the stone, and the silver chain looks delicate and well made.
It seems to be very high quality. The person who made this is very talented.
I agree. I have never seen a stone quite like that before. It's so smooth and perfectly shaped.
It's definitely a special piece. It stands out from all the other necklaces.
I think so too. I can't stop looking at it. It is just so lovely.
You really seem to love that necklace. Are you thinking about buying it?
I am seriously considering it, but I have no idea how much it costs.
That's true. We should try to find out the price. Sometimes vendors put small price tags on the items.
I'm looking now. Let me gently pick it up to see if there is a tag on the back.
Be careful with it. It looks very delicate.
I am being very gentle. Okay, I have checked all around the pendant and the clasp. There is no price tag anywhere.
That's common at places like this. It usually means you have to ask the vendor for the price.
I was afraid of that. I sometimes feel a little shy about asking for the price.
Why is that? It's a normal question to ask. The vendor expects people to ask.
I know, but I always feel a little awkward. What if it's too expensive for me? Then I have to say no, and I feel bad.
You shouldn't feel bad. It's okay to ask for a price and then decide not to buy it. The vendor will understand.
I suppose you're right. I should just be brave and ask. Okay, I am going to ask. But what is the most polite way to start the conversation?
That's a good thing to think about. It's always best to be polite. You can start by getting the vendor's attention with a simple, "Excuse me."
Excuse me? Okay, that's a good, simple start. What should I say next?
You could point to the necklace and ask a direct question, like, "How much is this necklace?" Or, "How much does this cost?"
How much does this cost? That sounds good and clear. Is it okay to ask other questions too?
Of course, it's a good idea to show you are interested in the item. You could ask, "Could you tell me what this stone is?"
Oh, that's a great question. I am very curious about the stone. It's so beautiful.
You could also ask about the chain. For example, is the chain made of real silver?
That's another important question. So I can ask about the materials.
Yes, it shows you appreciate the work. You are not just asking about the price, but also about the quality and the art.
Okay, I feel much more prepared now. First, I will say, "Excuse me." Then I will ask about the stone. After that, I will ask about the price.
That sounds like a perfect plan. It is friendly, interested, and polite.
While I am getting ready to ask about the necklace, have you seen anything that you like, David?
Actually, I have. While you were looking at the jewelry, I was looking more closely at those wooden carvings.
The little animals? I thought they were very charming.
They are. And this one in particular is fantastic. Look at this small, carved elephant.
Oh, I didn't see that one before. The detail is amazing. You can see the texture of its skin.
I know. The wood is a dark, rich color, and it's so smooth, it feels really nice to hold.
It looks like it would fit perfectly on a bookshelf or a desk.
I was thinking the same thing. I think it would make a wonderful gift.
That's a great idea. Who are you thinking of giving it to?
I was thinking of my dad. His birthday is next month, and he loves elephants. He says they're a symbol of good luck.
What a perfect and thoughtful gift. He would absolutely love that. It's so much better than buying something from a big store.
I agree. It feels more personal because it's handmade. I think I'm going to ask about the price of this as well. Before I ask about the price of the elephant, I am curious about the materials.
Me too, with the necklace. I really hope the chain is sterling silver so it won't tarnish.
And for this elephant, I wonder what kind of wood it is. It's so dark and heavy. It feels like a very high-quality wood.
It would be interesting to know where the materials come from. Do you think the vendor gets them locally?
That's a great question to ask. We could ask, is the wood from this region? It's a nice way to connect with the local culture.
And I could ask the same thing about the blue stone in the necklace. Maybe it's a stone that is only found in this part of the world.
That would make it even more special. It would be like taking home a small piece of this place.
It would. I also wonder how they are made. Does the vendor carve these wooden animals himself?
He might, or maybe his family does. We could ask, do you make these yourself? People who create things are usually very happy to talk about their process.
Learning the story behind an item makes it much more valuable, don't you think? It's not just an object anymore. It's a memory.
I completely agree. It becomes a story you can share with others.
Okay, now I have even more questions to ask, but I am excited to learn more about this beautiful necklace. Okay, I have thought about it. I have looked at all the other necklaces, but I keep coming back to the blue one.
It seems like that one was meant for you. When you know, you know.
I think so. So, I am going to do it. I am going to ask him about it, and if the price is reasonable, I am going to buy it.
I think that's a great decision. It is a beautiful piece of jewelry, and it will always remind you of our walk today.
Exactly. And what about you? Have you decided about the wooden elephant?
Yes, I have. I think it's the perfect gift for my dad. It's unique and thoughtful. I am definitely going to get it for him.
That's wonderful. I am happy we both found something we truly like.
Me too. Now for the practical part. Do you have enough cash with you? Many small vendors like this prefer cash.
I think so. I went to the bank yesterday. I should have enough in my wallet. What about you?
I have some cash, and I also have my debit card. I can see a small sign on his cart that says he accepts cards, so that's good.
Oh, that's convenient. It's always good to have both options.
All right, are you ready to go talk to him? You can go first. You were talking to him for a few minutes. What did he say? Was he friendly?
He was so nice. He had a very warm and kind smile. I was nervous for nothing.
I told you it would be fine. So, did you ask him about the necklace?
I did. I started just like we planned. I said, "Excuse me, could you tell me about this necklace?" And I pointed to it.
And what did he tell you? What kind of stone is it?
He said it's a stone called sodalite, and it's known for its deep blue color. He said he gets the stones from a mountain region not too far from here.
Wow, so it is a local stone. That's amazing. What about the chain?
He confirmed that it is sterling silver, so it is good quality. He makes all the jewelry himself in his small workshop at home.
That is so impressive. He is a true artist. So, the most important question, what was the price?
I was so nervous to ask, but I just said, "It's beautiful. How much does it cost?"
And was it very expensive?
It was much more reasonable than I expected. He told me the price was $35. I think that is a very fair price for a handmade sterling silver necklace with a local stone.
That is a fantastic price. You should definitely get it. So, did you buy the necklace in the end?
I did. I told him the price was very fair and that I would love to buy it. I paid him in cash. He wrapped it up so carefully in a little box for me.
I am so happy for you, Emma. You found a beautiful and unique souvenir.
I am thrilled with it. I can't wait to wear it. Now it's your turn. Are you going to buy the elephant?
Yes, I am. I'm going to go talk to him right now. I will ask him about the wood and then buy it for my dad's birthday present.
Okay, I will wait for you here. I am excited to hear what kind of wood it is.
Okay, I'm back. I bought it.
That's wonderful. He was quick. What did you learn about it?
He told me it's carved from local walnut wood, which is why it has such a lovely dark color. He carves them all by hand.
It's amazing that both of our items are made from local materials. It makes them feel so authentic.
I agree. Well, this was a very successful stop. I am so glad you spotted his cart.
Me too. Let's thank him one more time and then continue our walk. We found some real treasures today.